Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a clock widget to your home screen on Google Pixel. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, press and hold anywhere on your wallpaper. This will bring up your home screen customization options where you can modify widgets, wallpapers, and other elements of your display. Once the menu appears, look for and tap on Widgets. This is where you'll find all the available widgets you can add to your home screen to enhance functionality and personalization. Next, at the bottom of the screen, you'll see an option that says Browse. Tap on it to open up the full widget library. This gives you access to all the different widget categories available on your Pixel device, from productivity tools to entertainment shortcuts. Now, from the list of widget categories, tap on Clock. This will show you all the clock widget options that Google provides for your home screen. These widgets aren't just for telling time, they also add a clean, functional aesthetic to your display. Once you're in the clock section, you'll see several different styles to choose from. You'll notice options like Analog 2x2, which gives you a classic analog clock face, Stopwatch 2x2 for quick timing needs, Digital 2x2 for a modern digital display, Stacked 2x2 which shows the time in a stacked format, and World 3x2 that displays multiple time zones at once. Each widget is designed to fit different preferences and screen layouts, so take a moment to browse through them and see which one matches your style. After you've decided which clock widget you want, simply tap on the one you need, then tap Add to place it on your home screen. The widget will automatically appear on your current screen and you can drag it to reposition it wherever you like. That's it. You've successfully added a clock widget to your Google Pixel home screen, giving you quick access to the time in your preferred style. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.